Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cute baby chicken just hatched out of an egg. I'll draw lightly in pencil first, then go over the pencil lines with a marker so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Use the pause button if you think I'm going too fast. Let's get started. First, we'll draw the top part of the egg like this. Add a few jagged lines. Then draw the chicken's face. Let's draw in the puffy cheeks. And then we draw the eyes. Now use your pencil to draw a circle for the highlights, one for each eye. And then we draw the pupils. And the chicken needs a beak too. Now the chicken needs some wings. Let's draw them. And then we draw the other half of the egg. And finish off the drawing. When the ink dries, you can go back and erase the pencil marks, and then you can color your drawing in whatever color you like. If you like this drawing, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.